Reduce, recycle, reuse. Infobooth 19 welcomes you to Zero Waste series. Today is Friday, so let's enter into the next episode. So we are going to see the benefits of onion peels and garlic peels. So this onion and garlic, like most of us, everyday preparation of food, we are using this kind of ingredient. So but how much we are throwing these peels, which is very much beneficial for us. So let's see in this video like how garlic peels and onion peels are very important and how it plays a major role in our life. So first we will get into this onion peels. So first we are going to make an onion peel tea. So it is a very interesting recipe and it is very healthy. For this you can just wash and take nicely this onion peels, and once it is washed completely, just put in water and boil it for 15 to 20 minutes to extract all the flavors. So it is very good for sleep. So just before sleeping, if you have this tea and sleep, it gives very good sleep and you won't get any disturbances. You just get peaceful sleep. And also it is very helpful for tooth and oral and dental care. It is very helpful, and also it is very good in antioxidants, so it is very good for health. And moreover it strengthens our muscles so that we won't get any weakness in muscles. It will be very strong. And once you boil it for 15-20 minutes, the color of the tea, if you see, it got the depth color. So now you filter it out and then you can have this hot tea. It will be very good, and it is very good for health. You get very nice sleep, so prefer taking it in the night time just before you go to sleep. So it is very healthy and very tasty. So since onion peels have this much benefits, why not give it a try? Surely you all need to give it a try. Apart from that, what other health benefits we have is, like, if you have a sore throat, you can just make this onion tea and make it to warm state, and then you can gargle with this onion tea warm water. So it will clears the throat infection. So many health benefits are there in onion peels. Apart from that, onion peels is a very good fertilizer. I will tell you how to make the fertilizer. It is a DIY which you can prepare by yourself at home. So you can prepare this monthly once, and what I have done is I have taken all the onion peels and you can soak it in water, keep it overnight, like till next day, or just you can keep it up to 48 hours. So if you see, the water will get the depth flavor. So I have prepared in a smaller volume. So after this 24 to 48 hours, you just remove the peels and dilute it with 1 bucket of water, and you can water all your plants. Monthly once if you keep doing this, and monthly once if you add this onion water fertilizer, the plants will be very healthy and it will give more flowers or fruits or vegetables if you grow. It is very good, and surely you all need to give it a try. It is a very good fertilizer which you can prepare at home easily. Monthly once you can collect all the onion peels, and monthly once you can just prepare this, dilute it more with water, and you can use it. Let's see garlic now. So garlic, the peels have lot of health benefits, like it has vitamin A, C and lot of antioxidant properties. So always prefer cooking with peels itself. Whenever any dish you're using garlic, use it with peels itself. It is very good for health. Apart from that, let's see what all benefits the garlic peel has. So first I can say it is a good fertilizer. Number one, equally to onion peels, even garlic peels are good for fertilizer, and it helps in getting rid of insects and ants or lizard. So even wherever the lizard is there, you can just put this garlic peels little bit. Because of the smell, lizard will not come. And in all of your plants, you can just sprinkle some garlic peels on top of the surface, so that the insects, ant and those kind of problem will not be there. So it doesn't attract any pest. So it is very good. So especially the people who keep balcony garden or terrace garden, so surely this tip will help you, because because since we have very smaller space in home and we grow plants and vegetables there, so that time if insects and all come, it is very difficult to maintain. So if you put garlic peels, it will insects will not come, and it is very good. and also it cures the swollen feet. So in case if you have a swollen feet, you can just boil the water with garlic peels, and once it becomes warm, you can just put it in bucket and you can dip your feet in that. It cures the swollen feet, and also it is gives you a good pedicure, I can say. So it is very good, and it keeps your foot warm, and it's very good, and it gives some soothing texture. Apart from that, it is a good mosquito repellent, I would say. Like whenever you can light one diya with oil, and you can put some 2-3 garlic peels in it, and if you keep a door near windows and all, mosquitoes will not come. It is a very good mosquito repellent. Instead of normal oil, you can add neem oil to it will be more effective. So lot of benefits this garlic and onion peels have. So after seeing this video, do not throw any garlic or onion peels. Surely you all use it in all other ways. Start loving things around you, and you will contribute to Zero Waste series, and your life will be more happier and more healthier. If you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends and family. Be happy, stay positive, and spread the positivity among everyone. Thanks for watching.